What are the alternatives to hedging a short position in a put? Yeah. So it would take me a long time to answer that. But what you can do is you can sign up for my complete options course coming out soon. And what I'll teach you to do is I'll teach you how to create vertical spreads, how to go long, iron condors, butterflies, etc., much more. So basically the way it works is you can go buy here, okay? You can set up a straddle, butterfly, condor, etc. See right here? And this way you're somewhat hedged. And so you'll find out your maximum profit, maximum loss. Okay, and I really believe that when it comes to options and investing in general, the people that do the best, especially with options, are the ones that don't try to hit home runs, right? Don't swing for the fences, you'll strike out more. You got to hit singles, that's a bunt. You got to hit singles and doubles, so to speak. And the way to think about it too is, I'm teaching it, like I teach something called Monte Carlo simulation in this options course coming up, as well as Black-Scholes and binary or binomial valuation, which will make more sense after you take the course if you want. But I teach you how casinos make money. So one-arm bandit. And the way casinos make money is they embrace statistics and mathematics. It's fascinating. And yes, I'm teaching stats from scratch in a fun way in this course. Normal distribution, etc., probabilities. But what happens is casinos have it set up so that usually you can't bet more than a little bit of money, right? And they have some high roller tables, but they don't make money from that. You can only bet a little bit amount of money, so that from a risk management perspective, nobody will win a fortune and make the casino go belly up. And these machines are set up so that they win 51% of the time. The same thing with roulette. It's fascinating. I've studied statistics of it. In roulette, which is that big wheel with a bunch of black and red little slots you throw a ball in, well, there's an equal number of black and red slots, right? So it's 50-50, but there's like one or two little green slots, which basically makes it 51% or so the casino is going to win. So casinos make a fortune, just like options writers do, okay, and option short sellers, which I'll teach you, which was kind of part of that that vertical spread I just showed you. In iron condor, you can go long and short those things. I'll teach you all that from scratch. They make a little bit of money, but they're perfectly hedged, and I'll teach you that from scratch. I don't want any of my students trading any options unless they practice for 6 months first. And in my complete options course coming out soon, I'm going to provide you with all the tools you need, including 35 different option strategy, including iron condors and using 1, 2, 3, and 4 in combinations of 1, 2, or 3, or 4 calls and puts that are short or long, as well as stocks along with that.